We welcome you to Escape Room, the ultimate challenge of wisdom and common sense, through a fast paced immersive experience. This is a team game. In this game, your team and you are solving high end cases. Your goal is to solve the case accurately and the fastest. During the game, as a team, you have to interact with different objects, decipher codes, solve clues to find the ultimate 4-digit code to unravel the mystery. While playing as a team, the captain has to schedule a video call with his team members via any available platform like Zoom calls, Skype, just before the game begins. Every captain will be given a link and a login ID. Captain has to click on the link and he will arrive at the game page. Put in your login ID to enter the game. At this point, captains should share their screen with the team members on the video call. After logging in, you should have arrived at the welcome page. It's very important for you and your team to first go through all the slides on this page. It will have the theme, overview, and rules and regulations of the game. When you arrive at the how to play slide, this slide talks about the two actions that you will have to carry during the game. First, during the game, you will come across different objects. Every object will have a number and a description associated to it. As an action, you can interact with two or more objects. For example, if you come across a non-functioning torch and a set of batteries, if you want to interact these two objects, that is, put the battery in the torch, you need to add their respective numbers and enter the total in the enter number box. If your interaction and the input number is correct, you will see the result of your interaction. For instance, the torch lights up in this example. Second action is, during the game you will come across a lot of electronic devices, objects, locked doors, etc. If the description of the object says you need to find a 4-digit code to unlock an object, and if you can figure the 4-digit code out, simply punch in the correct 4-digit code in the enter number box. If the code is correct, the object will automatically unlock itself. In the game, if you want to examine any picture closely, simply click on the picture and the picture will zoom in. Once you've examined, click anywhere outside the picture and the picture will zoom out itself. Once you have gone through all the rules and if you're ready to play, press the play now button. As soon as you press on play now, you will be redirected to the room and the timer starts ticking. Look at the picture carefully and all the relevant objects are denoted by a number and a description below the picture. As a team, first go through all the description carefully and then begin your process to find that ultimate 4-digit code. Remember, you have those two actions that you need to keep on doing. Either you can interact with different objects or punch in a 4-digit code to unlock a certain object. Remember, time is crucial here. Every negative answer you put in will add 30 seconds to your score. In case if you are stuck on a clue and can't go ahead, you can tap on the hint tab on the right side of the screen. This will help you to find a solution to your clue. Remember, every hint you take adds a huge 5 minutes to your timer. So choose wisely. Hope you have a thrilling experience. Enjoy and good luck.